Well, Tisoy is finally bringing its rain to Angeles City. It is one miserable day out here. You can believe me when I tell you that. I would hate to be where the storm is, like in Bicol. The good thing is there's no classes for the students. It would be really difficult for them. Wow. This is a day you don't want to be outside. So far the wind is not so bad here. Just moderate to heavy rains at times. I'm just bringing updates to this typhoon because some of my subscribers in the United States are really interested. So I want to thank you guys very much for viewing. Please hit the subscribe button. This is John in Angeles City covering Typhoon Tisoy. Today is the 3rd of December 2019. Right now it's about 1 o'clock, 1:45 in the afternoon. Have a wonderful day.